Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now I'll chain multiples of 5 plus 1. So for this stitch I'll chain 61. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Now to chain 61 on the second chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 4, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll skip the next 4 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Again I'll skip the next 4 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Again now I'll skip the next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll repeat this until I reach the end of row 1. So this completes row 1. So you see here, even in the last chain we repeated the same thing. So now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. Then right here through this first double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, and right here through this double crochet chain, right here through this center I'll make a slip stitch, and now I'll chain 4, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now right here through this next shell I'll skip this first double crochet chain, and through the second double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next shell, right here through the center, through this double crochet chain in the center, I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now right here through this next shell, right here through this double crochet chain, right here through the center, I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Again through this next shell, right here through the second double crochet chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, and through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, and through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. So this completes row 2. So for the pattern we repeat row 2. So this is all for today guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.